In this session, we are going to cover LeetCode problem 344, reverse string. This is an easy problem. Let me go through the problem statement. Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as array of characters, yes. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O1 extra memory. Here are two examples. Input yes, HELLO, hello is reversed. And then example 2, HANNAH is reversed. The original string and the reverse string looks similar except for the uppercase that's reversed here. But the reversal has happened. Constraints. The length of the string is somewhere between 1 and 10 power 5. Pretty long string. S of I is a printable ASCII character, meaning each character in the string is ASCII. Given this background, we can go ahead and implement it. Consider input string hello that needs to be reversed. We have h at index 0 and o at index 4. Length of the string hello is 5. We have two variables start and end. Start points to the starting of the string, which is at index 0, and end points to the last character of the string, which is o, or len of string minus 1. Here len of hello minus 1 is 4. So it stands at index 3. Now the logic goes something around swapping characters at index of start and index of end until start is lesser than end. Let me do a dry run. Begin with start is at index 0, end is at 4. Index 0 is lesser than index 4, so we swap this. So this is going to be here, and this is going to be here. So let me change just the variables. And now we are going to increment start by 1, decrement end by 1. So end is now pointing at index 3 and start is pointing at index 1 is lesser than 3. So we swap E and L. Let us do that. Next we again increment start by 1, decrement end by 1. So both of them now points to index 3. Start is not lesser than end. So we stop the reversal operation. That's it. So now hello has been reversed to OLLE. This is the reversed string. So here input string comes as a byte, and as we had discussed, we can initialize start and end variables, start pointing to index 0 and end pointing to len of string minus 1. So start comma end colon equal to 0 comma len of s minus 1. Initialize two pointers or two variables. I can call it as walkers. Start is lesser than right. We keep iterating. So let us walk over the string. Yes. For start lesser than end, start comma end equal to start plus 1 comma end minus 1. This is the condition. We can swap here, swap the character at start and end. So s of start comma s of end equal to s of end comma s of start. The- So this swap operation is atomic, meaning it's all done in a single instruction, and we are not going to make use of any temporary variable. We are done with reversing the string. The two test cases that we had discussed in the example section here, there are no errors as I see, so I can run it right away. Accepted. Very tiny code. Let me submit also. Fine, good. We can reverse this using a temporary variable as well. Let me use a temp variable here. That's going to be s of start. And s of start is going to be s of end. S of end will be temp. Okay, so let me close this result. Our submissions just shows one few minutes ago. So we can run this again. It's accepted. We can submit. Perfect. That's it. We have been able to reverse the input string. Yes.